Today I am going to start the chapter number 2, polynomials. It is the very interesting chapter, and for the board examination point of view, this chapter is related to the topic algebra. Okay. In this chapter, the definition of polynomial is the first definition. What does it mean? An expression of the form px is equal to a0 plus a1 x raised to the power 1, a2 x raised to the power 2, dot 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 an x raised to the power n, where an is not equal to 0 is called a polynomial in x of degree n. Here a0, a1, a2, an all are real numbers. You know very well what are real numbers. The numbers which are rational or irrational both are called real numbers. In each of power x it is non-negative integer. Okay, चलिए अब आपको बताते हैं इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है. कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल लेट 2x square plus 3x plus 7. It is the polynomial of x. Here p is the stand for polynomial and x is the variable present in the polynomial. Here we see 2x square plus 3x plus 7 is a form of an expression which is called the polynomial. But see, if the polynomial or expression having the power negative, having the variable in the under root form, or having the variable in the fractional form in the denominator, so that is not the polynomial. Like if x raised to the power minus, x is come in the root form, or x is in the denominator form, then these are not the types of polynomials. Otherwise, all the types of polynomials. Okay, so this is the basic concept of polynomials. Okay. Now the next topic is classification of polynomials. Polynomials can be classified on the basis of terms and on the basis of powers. Let us see classification of polynomials on the basis of terms and on the basis of powers. Okay, on the basis of terms, there are three types of polynomials. Number 1, monomials. Number 2, binomials. And number 3, trinomials. Okay, these types of polynomials are the monomials. The polynomials having only one term are called monomials. The polynomials having two terms attached with a sign of plus or minus are called binomials, and trinomials are the polynomials which are having three terms attached with the sign of plus and minus. Those terms which are attached with the sign of divide or multiply are considered as a single term. Like monomial, example x, example 2, example 2x. इस टाइप के जो पॉलिनोमियल्स होते हैं क्या कहलाते हैं? मोनोमियल्स. बाइनोमियल्स लाइक 2x plus 3 और 4x minus 7. Okay, there are two terms, so they are called binomials. And trinomials like x square plus 3x plus 7. Here there are, we see that three terms, so it is called the trinomial. Okay, on the basis of powers, there are four types of polynomial. Number 1, linear polynomial. Number 2, quadratic polynomial. Number 3, cubic polynomial. And number 4, biquadratic polynomial. Okay, what are these polynomials? Number 1, linear polynomial. Those polynomials which are of the form ax plus b are called linear polynomials. Means the polynomials having the power of variable is 1 is are called linear polynomials. Like 2x plus 7. Here we see x raised to the power 1 is here. Only 1 is power, so it is called the linear polynomial. अब यहाँ पर कितनी टर्म्स हैं वो कोई कंसीडर नहीं करते हम उसको, केवल हम ये देखते हैं इसकी पावर कितनी है वेरिएबल्स की. ओनली वन इज द पावर, सो इट इज कॉल्ड लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल लाइक 2x square or 2x square plus 7x minus 1. These type of polynomials having the highest power of variable is 2 are called quadratic polynomial. अब उसमें terms कितनी है doesn't matter, केवल यहां पर देखेंगे highest power 2 होनी चाहिए. That's why it is called the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Cubic polynomial like x cube plus 3x square plus 7x plus 1. Here we see the highest power of the polynomial is 3. So it is called the cubic polynomial. No matter how many terms are there, here we see only one term, here we see there are 4 terms. So कितनी terms है कोई मैटर नहीं करता, highest power 3 होनी चाहिए. That's why it is called the cubic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomials are those polynomials having the degree 4, like x raised to the power 4 or x raised to the power 4 plus 3x plus 7 or x raised to the power 4 plus 3x cube plus 7x square plus 4x plus 9. ठीक, तो these types are of polynomials are called biquadratic polynomial having the degree 4. So classification of polynomials on the basis of terms are of three types: monomials, binomials and trinomials. यहां देखना है आपको, single term polynomial are called monomials, 2 terms polynomials are called binomials and 3 terms polynomials are called trinomials. And on the basis of powers, there are 4 types of polynomials: linear, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic. The degree of the variable 1, it is called linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic and degree 4 biquadratic. Okay, so अभी मैं बोल रहा हूं आपके सामने एक वर्ड डिग्री. What does it mean? Degree. Degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the variable present in the polynomial. The highest power of variable present in the polynomial. जैसे हमने देखा यहां पर x raised to the power 4, 3x plus 7. Here we see the highest power is 4, so the degree of this polynomial is 4. Okay, this is the basic concept of the chapter polynomial, which you have to read from your NCERT books. Okay, definition of polynomial, classification of polynomial, degree of polynomial. This is the first concept and you have to read from your NCERT book. Thank you very much.